All right, today I'm going to show you how to make ramen noodles with hot dog meat and cheese. The first thing you're going to need is ramen noodles. Right here I have beef flavored ramen noodles. Second thing you're going to need is a hot dog meat, and then you're going to also need a slice of cheese. Right here I have a rapid ramen cooker, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up ramen noodles. And I'm going to place the ramen noodles in the rapid ramen cooker and then pour the crunchies on there and maybe have a couple. And then I'm going to open the seasoning flavor packet, sprinkle that on top. And after I do that, I'm just going to take my knife and then cut the hot dog meat like this and leave it. So, all right. Put the hot dog meat, try to get it in the water or in the side so that it can cook all the way and not be undercooked. And then take some water and just fill it to the line, pour it on top of the seasoning mix. Fill it up to the line in the ramen noodle cooker. And then you're gonna take your piece of cheese and then place the cheese right on top. All right. And then you're gonna cook it in the microwave for 3 minutes and 45 seconds. All right, after it's done out of the microwave, you're just gonna take this and then, let me zoom in so you can see a little bit, and then just stir it up, and then the cheese and the hot dog meat will mix in together. All right, absolute goodness.